how to fix Microsoft Outlook has stopped working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook has stopped working on Android phone. First, open Play Store and here check Microsoft Outlook and check if there's any update here, and then just update it and go back and try, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, now go to settings and go to apps and then apps again, and here type Outlook and click on it and then click for stop and go to storage, clear data and click OK, and that's it. Then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.